Your industry has problems that generic agencies will never understand. Restaurants need online ordering, not a brochure site. Auto shops need real-time booking, not a contact form. Law firms need client trust, not stock photos and templates. But most agencies build the same cookie-cutter website for everyone and charge you $10,000 for it. Full Moonstar is different. We're a technology studio in Edison, New Jersey with 20 years of enterprise engineering, and we build exclusively for your industry. Restaurants, medical practices, real estate, gyms, salons, law offices, auto repair. 17 industries, each with custom solutions built for how your customers actually buy. AI-powered automation, month-to-month, no contracts, dedicated legal guidance for your business partnerships, and a free consultation to show you exactly what's missing. Your competitors already have a website that works. It's time you did too. Visit FULLMOONSTAR.com.